Depending on its intended end use, paper must often have a smooth and glossy surface as well as a uniform caliber. These properties are obtained by calendaring on the basis of an excellent control of the CD line load distribution in the nips. Nipco rolls effect such optimum CD profiles. This is the reason why Nipco rolls are found in all the cases where a precise adjustment of the CD line load curve is imperative. That is, in machine calendars, soft calendars, and multi-nip calendars, as well as in comparable applications. With Nipco rolls, hydraulic loading elements arranged in a row on a stationary roll shaft act upon the rotating shell so that the actual profile of the shell can be aligned as desired. These loading elements, which can either be controlled individually or per zone, permit accurate CD profile corrections in the nip. Depending on the technical requirements, the number of zones range from 1 to 60 or more. The oil is supplied to the loading elements from both ends of the roll via a tube bundle installed in the central bore of the Nipco shaft. The tubes deliver the fluid to the various toroidal oil chambers, which are separated from each other by means of sealing discs. From these chambers, the oil is supplied to the loading elements, thus causing them to move forward and to generate the pressure that is required in the nip. Additionally, the oil flows from the pressure chamber beneath the loading element through the capillary ducts to the chambers in the surface of the loading elements, building up an oil film between the loading element and the shell. Due to this film, there is no mechanical friction between the loading elements and the rotating roll shell. Hence, wear is practically excluded. Moreover, the oil film serves as a means for cooling the shell. Nip correct rolls are used for deflection compensation and for profiling purposes. When pressing two rolls together in a press section or a calendar, the rolls will deflect and a convex gap will occur between them. For the sake of better understanding, we have exaggerated the deflection here. But even though the deflection is smaller in reality than actually shown, it causes an uneven CD line load distribution, which will lead to an inefficient running and a poor quality product. The zone-controlled loading elements allow this deflection to be compensated for, thus creating a uniform CD line load in the nips. In addition to this, the individually controlled loading elements allow the CD line load distribution to be exactly adapted as required by the process. As a matter of fact, it often happens that downstream a press section or a calendar, deviations in the paper web occur. These deviations are represented as dark stripes here and require local adjustment of the CD line load. Thanks to an intelligent closed-loop system based on a measuring beam installed behind the nip, such deviations are immediately detected and directly corrected. A regular changes the oil pressure of the loading element that corresponds to the flaw area of the web. Thousandfold proven in practice, Voith Paper's Nipco Red rolls offer the most modern state-of-the-art technology and combine a high degree of operational reliability with excellent quality and productivity results.